Welcome back to Rocky Knob Farm and our YouTube channel. I'm Jason Eakers. I got my buddy here.
I'm Jacob Keith.
And we're going to feed the hogs. But before we do, I wanted to talk a little bit about this cold weather and the importance of making sure that the animals have got plenty to eat, because the more they eat and the higher protein you're feeding, the better the chance they've got of staying warm. God created them to be able to withstand cold weather, but we want them to have their bellies full so they'll have a good warm night.
Them hogs were ready to eat this evening.
It's going to be another cold night here in West Virginia at Rocky Knob Farm.
Chickens are roosting early today.
Tab already got the eggs, we didn't know.
We've checked the bunny rabbits and they have plenty of food and water for the night. The reason we have all these trays under here is because it catches the manure and keeps the lower bunny houses clean.
We got a lot of good videos coming up. It's winter time, there ain't a whole lot we can do right now, but we got our new belts ordered for our old hammer mill. We're going to eventually do a video on mix and feed. We're going to do a video on PTO safety. And we got a lot of things coming up this spring. We're getting anxious to start plowing and showing you how we do our operation.
Right? Bud. These bottle caps are going really good.
Jacob's really getting the hang of that roping. Here before too long, it won't be safe for Maddie and Molly to be riding their bicycles. Jacob will be roping them off. Here Tanner is giving them lots of love. The more love you give them, the tamer they'll be.
it now. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and put the notification bell and it'll tell you when we post new videos.